Welcome back. In this episode, we continue our journey through Kurşunlu Waterfall, focusing on what it's really like to visit and how to make the most of your time here. If you are planning a trip, timing plays an important role. The best seasons to visit Kurşunlu are spring and early summer. During these months, the water flow is at its strongest, fed by seasonal rains and melting snow from the mountains. The vegetation is also at its most vibrant, with shades of green covering the entire park. In contrast, during late summer, especially in August, the water flow may decrease slightly. The waterfall doesn't disappear, but it becomes gentler. And in a place like this, even subtle changes can affect the atmosphere. Fall brings a different kind of beauty. The crowds begin to thin out, and the park takes on a quieter, more reflective mood. One important thing to know is that Kurşunlu is not just about the main waterfall. In fact, many visitors who rush straight to the main viewpoint miss the smaller details along the way. The winding trails, the hidden ponds, the quiet corners, these are what truly define the experience. Compared to other waterfalls in the region, Kurşunlu is smaller and less dramatic. Kurşunlu is different. It's quieter, more intimate. It's also a family-friendly location. Short walking distances, safe paths, and clear viewpoints make it accessible for a wide range of visitors. It's not the tallest waterfall, not the most powerful, but it offers something just as valuable, a sense of calm, a chance to step away from noise and reconnect with nature. And sometimes that's exactly what we need. Thank you for joining this walk.